So recently I had a use case of a many-to-many table relationship. It was working fine until the rows started to increase, and when it reached more or less 60 million, it was getting quite slow, and then it came to a point that it wasn't loading anymore on Power BI service due to lack of memory. So I broke down the relationship, and then it was way faster. It was much faster. So in this example, it is still using Power Query steps to create our tables. So you don't need any. If you refresh this report, you will not read from any file, any database. The tables are being created only via Power Query. But yes, the only detail is the available file on GitHub uses 300,000 rows. So to see the changes, to see at what point it fails to load the visualization, please update the parameters for 30 million and refresh and apply it. When you apply the 30 million rows, then you see it will use too much memory. The many-to-many relationship will still use too much memory, but then the broke down table will work. Yes, that's it. So let's have a look at the many-to-many relationship. It's a fairly simple one. This is just a calendar table being connected by transact ID, and then the broke down tables are this one. Yes, correct. So we don't have a many-to-many relationship anymore. This helps a lot, both in Power BI Desktop and in Power BI Service. Great. I think it will come to a point 24 million. I see. Let's see, 22. Yes. Anyway, just keep in mind you will have to change the parameter for 30 million rows to see the point in which the report will fail to show the visualization as expected. If we try to show everything, it will use too much memory. This was very nice. Anyway, thank you very much. Nice.